In today's video, I am going to teach you how to chat with Gemini using Google Chrome Byte. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure the browser is fully loaded. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser. You will see the menu icon with 3 vertical dots. Click those 3 vertical dots to open the Chrome menu. After the menu appears, look for the option that says Open with Gemini with Google Chrome, then click it. If your browser window is small, take a moment to read the menu carefully so you do not miss the option. When Gemini opens, you can begin interacting with it through the chat interface. This is where you type your message, request help, or ask a question. The main benefit of opening Gemini this way is convenience. It gives you a direct path from the browser menu into the chat experience. As you use this feature, make sure you are signed in to the appropriate Google account in Chrome if required. This method is useful if you want a quick way to reach Gemini while already browsing in Chrome. It saves time and keeps everything in one place, which is especially helpful if you plan to use Gemini often for writing, research, or everyday questions. That covers everything you need to know.